I've been seeing a lot of guys over the last couple years on Facebook and whatever, asking each other where they get their SH from. You know, where can they pick up sodium hydroxide beads and oxalic acid and stuff. And for the oxalic and all that, you always see them telling like these people like go to the whatever this store. You know, this guy he sells it, and then you go there and they want like $20 for freaking 5 pounds of it. You know, like it's just ridiculous. But if you go to chemical companies, obviously you're going to be getting like an 80-pound bag, 90-pound bag, whatever, of sodium hydroxide beads for $50. You know, like it's obviously you're further ahead to go to a chemical company. But for some reason, it's like kind of hard to find them, like online and everything. That's why you see these questions all the time. So a strategy to try to figure out where these chemical companies are. And you'd think like, oh no, you can just go online and search it. It is hard. Like I went for freaking 2 years. I would call everybody that I seen was a chemical company in the Pittsburgh area, and all of them would be like, oh, we don't deliver, or oh, you know, we need minimum orders of $2,500 or some shit like that, you know. So finally, I started going to everybody's like, oh, the pool shop, like the country pools and spas. That's the advice that was going around on the Facebook forums. So that's what I did. I went to country pools and spas. Because a lot of times, you know, they take care of people's pools. They have all the SH chemicals and stuff there. But they, for some reason, didn't. So I went to another one. They, for some reason, didn't. They use, you know, the, I guess, powdered, pelletized, whatever anymore. But finally, I went to a local pool. So this is like, I guess, the no-brainer I should have thought of from the get-go. I should have went to like the YMCA or just the local pool and ask them where they get their chemicals from, because now I know that they're probably getting deliveries, you know. So somebody's coming through to drop off chemicals to these pools, like larger pools, and it wouldn't be that difficult for them to swing past my place and drop me off some shit, right? So I ended up getting in with this chemical company that I love. I mean, they're awesome. They call me before they drop the stuff off. They work with me with some stuff, like they're great. So, and then I was thinking also, like, so say sodium hydroxide. There's people in the forums looking for it all the time. Obviously, I wouldn't recommend they would go to somebody like me. And this is just a complete side note, but like my mind's always going to make money. But so I was thinking, okay, these people that make soap and everything, they need sodium hydroxide. I could, you know, sell it online at the prices I'm getting. I mean, you got these people in these pressure washing sites, and they're selling hydroxide beads for ridiculous money. Oxalic acid too, and sodium, like precarb and everything. Whew, they're making a killing. But yeah, that's my advice on how to find chemical companies. Just go to your local pools, and then I mean, you might be able to work out a deal with the pool if you order enough chemicals every other week or whatever, that they will cut you guys a break on delivery fees or whatever. Who knows? Worth a shot.